Hey guys, welcome to Social Freelancer. My name is Abhimanyu. In this video, I'm going to show you how to switch the lens quickly. Right now I have a 50mm Canon and a Sigma 18-200mm. Okay, then let's start the video. I will show you how to switch the lens quickly. Hello guys, welcome everyone to Social Freelancer. Welcome everyone to Social Freelancer. Today I'm going to talk about this topic is about
My name is Abhimanyu.
my name is Abhimanyu. Okay guys, then I will show you how to switch the lens very quickly. First thing first, place your thumb here under that marker and your index finger and your middle finger here. To be honest, hold your lens like this and use these two fingers to remove the lens. I will show you. Remove the lens cap and hold it in your hand. Take your camera and remove the lock. If you press the button, it won't fall down, so don't worry. And remove the lens using these two fingers. I will show you like this. Okay. And connect the other lens. That's all. If you want to switch it back also, you can use same method like this. I will show it again. Remove the lens cap and hold it in your hand. Place your thumb straight to the marker and two fingers like this. Okay. Hold the lens cap in your hand. Remove the lock and remove the lens using these two fingers. That's all. That's all guys. See guys, right now I'm using prime lens and one zoom lens. So this method is very easy for switching the lens. Right now I'm using one prime lens and one zoom lens. And you can use that method for switching small lenses like prime lenses to zoom lenses like that. Whereas if you are switching a tele lens, same method but there is a slight difference. Hold both lens nose to nose and keep your finger like this, same these two fingers like this, and just remove the lens from here. That's all. That method is very useful in removing tele lens. Hey guys, I'm shooting the video using my phone and so I don't know how the output will look like. In case if the video clarity and audio clarity is very poor, I'm really sorry about that. If you like this video, please do share, subscribe and comment, and don't forget to share with your friends and families. Don't forget to hit that bell icon so that you will get notification from all my videos and we will keep in touch. Cheers guys, I'll see you in the next video.